What's hot? Romance.
Are you looking for the perfect honeymoon hideaway? Get ready to get your mind blown away in a heavenly destination. Tulum is a secluded piece of heaven in Riviera Maya, putting together a spectacular scenery, amazing weather, a charming town, and a mystic archaeological site, all in one place. The town irradiates magic and charm. Establishments are owned and run by locals, providing a traditional and very special experience in an utter romantic and enchanting atmosphere. Accommodation options for honeymooners are available in different styles and for every budget. From hotel boutiques to cute hostels and some resorts too. You can even camp in special areas if that's what you're into. It is not even necessary for us to remind you of the gorgeous, pristine turquoise waters, magnificent sunsets, and the softest white sands you'll come across in Tulum. Wake up next to your loved one in this paradisiac destination, where the Caribbean breeze will incite you to discover the wonders and surroundings of Tulum.